Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer fundamentals. Here first question is, the term computer is derived from option A Latin, option B German, option C French, option D Arabic. So our correct answer is option A Latin. Option A Latin. Our next question is, who is the inventor of difference engine? Option A Alan Turing, Charles Babbage, Simon Cray, Augusta Adaming. So here option B is correct. Option B Charles Babbage. Our next question is, who is the father of computer? Option A Alan Turing, option B Charles Babbage, option C Simon Cray, option D Augusta Adaming. Here father of computer is Charles Babbage. So option B is correct answer. Our next question is, who is the father of computer science? So here given option A Alan Turing, option B Charles Babbage, option C Simon Cray, option D Augusta Adaming. So Alan Turing is the father of computer science. Here given option A. So our correct answer is option A Alan Turing. Our next question is, who is the father of personal computer? Who is the father of PC, personal computer? Option A Edward Robert, option B Alan Turing, option C Charles Babbage, option D none of these. So Edward Robert is the father of PC, personal computer. So correct answer is option A Edward Robert. Our next question is, SCQ contains option A card reader and a printing device, option B an analytical engine and a control unit, option C a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit, option D an arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. So here option C is correct. Option C a control unit and an arithmetic and logic unit. So the correct answer is option C. Our next question is, which of the following controls the process of interaction between the user and the operating system? Option A user interface, option B language translator, option C platform, option D screensaver. So user interface. Okay, correct answer is user interface. Here option A is correct. Our next question is, the first computer were programmed using option A assembly language, option B machine language, option C source code, option D object code. So in first computer were programmed using machine language. That is, machine language is a language which is written in 0 and 1, which is directly understandable by the system. So option B is our correct answer. Option B machine language. Our next question is, DES is a combination of hardware and software that facilitates the sharing of information between computing devices. Option A network, option B peripherals, option C expansion board, option D digital device. Your correct answer is network. Option A is our correct answer. Network is correct answer. Our next question is, Coded entries which are used to gain access to a computer system are called number A, entry codes, number B, passwords, option C, security commands, option D, code words. So option B, password. Our correct answer is option B, password. Thank you.